In this video, I'm going to explain what's new in AutoVectis 2024. AutoVectis is a set of tools offering cutting-edge, high-resolution mass spectrometry data processing, and it's now in its 12th year of development. And the 2024 release offers the single biggest performance upgrade that we've ever had. Most people only know AutoVectis for its ability to produce high-quality absorption mode spectra from Fourier transform mass spectrometry instruments. But it does a whole lot more, and we've added some really powerful new tools for the 2024 version. When you open AutoVectis, you'll be presented with this splash screen which offers you quick links into the main workflows. These are the two standard tools that you use to upload spectra into AutoVectis for onwards processing. You can use the main AutoVectis tool for processing HRMS transient data into absorption mode, or you can use the AutoQuest tool for uploading standard mass spectra from interchange formats like MZ5 or MZML, and these could be from any high-res instrument, from a Cymax, Orbitrap, or time of flight. Both of these tools will automate the process of opening the file and undertaking high-performance peak picking using AutoVectis' unique AutoPeaker algorithm. Then once the spectrum is loaded, it can go on for onwards processing. And the two main tools for this are AutoSeeker, which offers world-class top-down assignment, including internal fragments, or you can move into Autologous, which is for assigning complex spectra such as direct infusion metabolomics or complex organic matter. The AutoFragger tool is for making top-down libraries, and the final tool over here is Discharger, and it's used for doing charge state deconvolution of large molecule spectra, for example from proteins or antibodies. But all of these tools have been available in AutoVectis for a number of years, so what's new this year? Well, of course, there have been hundreds of small performance improvements in all of the tools, for example including more intelligent internal recalibration for mass spectra into AutoVectis and AutoQuest. But the main headline improvements for this year are the hugely powerful new batch processing tools that are available in Autologous. These tools allow you to automate the assignment process, not just for single files, but for large batches of even hundreds or thousands of mass spectra. And these batch processing methods allow you to process the data using either the mass difference inference network approach, or by using the accurate mass and isotopic fine structure assignment approach. Whichever method you use for assignment, once all the files in a batch have been assigned, Autologous will help you combine those results into a single results file, which you can then export in many different formats, including to an Excel table or to a database file. Autologous results also include measures about how confident every assignment is, and that can be very useful for manual review later. Another new feature in AutoVectis 2024 is the ability to automatically screen complex organic matter results, or batches of results, for potential contaminants which may have been accidentally introduced into the data as a result of handling errors or components leaching from sample prep or storage containers. This automated approach looks for assigned components which have anomalous chemistry compared to the rest of the results. For example, they could be the only member of a homologous series, or have an anomalously high intensity compared to components in all the homologous series to which they're connected. The key benefit of these new batch processing tools in AutoVectis 2024 is a significant acceleration in the rate at which data can be processed, whilst at the same time offering a significant reduction in the number of person hours involved. During testing and development, we were able to demonstrate that a processing task involving 200 complex spectra that was projected to have taken approximately 3 months of manual data processing was reduced down to only a few hours, and the majority of that was automated computer time with less than 10 minutes actual human involvement. That increase in throughput and manpower efficiency means that AutoVectis 2024 has the capacity to pay for itself very quickly. So if you've come across any features of AutoVectis 2024 that you think are interesting and you'd like to give it a try, then we can either send you a trial version of the software, or you can send us some of your data and we'll process it, show you the results, and you can compare it to the methods you currently use. For existing users of earlier versions of AutoVectis, you can update to AutoVectis 2024 for a reduced cost, so either talk to the team at SpectraSwiss or directly to us at Vibration. And of course, an updated license will also include full training on all the new capabilities. So thanks for watching this introduction to AutoVectis 2024. We'll be putting up videos showing the new features in more detail in the coming weeks, but if you'd like to know more now, then you can either visit vibration.com or our partners at spectraswiss.ch.